Yo, what is up guys, this is Hadi from HadiTech back with another video. Now in today's video guys, we're going to be reviewing this company that is called Luwell.ai. This is yet another AI company that specializes in AI training and data collection, and it promises that you can make up to $24 per hour. So in today's video, we're going to be showing you how to actually set up your account with Luwell.ai and how you can get started working with them. Also, you can check the legitimacy of this company by going to Trustpilot. There's some decent scores as well, and you can go to LinkedIn. They have some jobs and vacancies posted, and that only enhances the trust for this company. Now the link will be in the description down below. All you need to do is just click on it and it will take you to the contributor page. So what you need to do is just click on start contributing, and you'll need to open a brand new account. It is just that easy and straightforward. It does not really require you that much. You only need to put in your pass, email, and you are good to go. So just click on start earning, and it should take us to the dashboard right away. Now in the dashboard, it will say that you can earn in 3 steps. So find a task, submit work, and get paid. These are the steps of working with Luwell.ai. And in here you can see the earnings, you can see the submissions that you have submitted, and you will have the approval rates, meaning the tasks that you do, they need to go through manual review in order to get approved. And down here you will see also the earning that you have made on this platform. Now if we scroll all the way down, you can see the available opportunities, and I do believe there were a lot of opportunities open, but they are no longer here. But let's just explore these with you guys. So click on view all, and we do have the American English conversational audio record with a partner. So this one is actually open. You can sign in and create your account, and you just right away start making money with this task. So if we click on it, you can see the payout rate is $24 per hour, meaning you will get paid 40 cents per minute, and the clip duration needs to be between 2 minutes and 1 hour. So the maximum length of the clip is 1 hour and the minimum is 2 minutes. The target language is obviously English, but the accent needs to be American. So that's the crux of this task. If we go down here, we can see how we can work on this task. It says have natural conversation in American English with another person using our in-app recording feature. Talk about anything, daily life, hobbies, work, opinions, or any topic that you enjoy discussing. So meaning you don't have a topic to stick to, and you are not boxed in, so you can truly speak about anything that you are passionate about, and you can just earn money. And if we read the how it works section right here, it says invite a partner. Both of you will join this session, meaning there will be like a room sort of, and you will get a link, invite your friend, and just start talking in English, and primarily the American accents, and you will be earning, like I said before, $24 per hour and 40 cents per minute. Language, like I said, it's English, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Also keep an eye on the technical requirements, so you need to have these technical requirements match. So the audio needs to be clear and all of that, and the format of the audio needs to be in WAV. So these are just some the key elements that you need to keep in mind. So if you want to, for example, work on this, obviously I don't have a partner to test this out with, but what you can do is just click start recording, and it will take you to the setup section of this tasks. And as you can see, you can see that I'm talking and my voice is loud and clear. So I'm testing this right here. What I can do is just repeat these words. Okay, and I will click I'm ready, and I will be taken to a room, like I said before, and in that room you can invite your friend. Once you invite your friend, you guys can start talking and start making money. So it's just very, very simple, very straightforward, and you guys can test it out yourself. So if we go back to the browse tasks section right here, we do have another task down here. It is in the video data collection. So if you are a person that has interest in origami, or you are a crafty man and you can craft stuff with paper, then this video is this task, excuse me, is also for you. You can get paid up to $10.20 per hour while recording crafts with paper. And there has been a lot of tasks, but as you can see, they all have been taken and worked on. So like most of these companies, they go by one rule, which is first come first served. So if you come first, you will have the priority and luxury of working on these tasks. So keep an eye on new roles that opens and new tasks that also appear on the dashboard. So this is really straightforward. As you can see, guys, you don't have much to worry about. Just set up your account and start working on Luwell. If you go to the profile section, you can set up your profile, and in the earnings tab you can also set up your withdrawal payment of choice. You can set up your payment from here. You can link your PayPal, Stripe, Wise, and you can withdraw your money later on. So as you can see, guys, it's just very straightforward and easy to do. Alright guys, we have reached the end of our video. This was just a quick tutorial on how to get started with Luwell.ai. Like I mentioned before, you can just invite your partner or a friend of yours and just get to talking and start earning money with them. The company is legit. You can look it up yourself. And there's a lot of people that withdrew money, and they actually says it's a good source of additional income. If you found this video helpful, comment down below and like this video, and definitely subscribe to the channel because you don't want to miss on the video that we upload about different ways of making money online and other technical stuff as well. This was Hadi. Take care of yourselves, guys, and see you in the next one, and peace.